Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with Revolution Math. Now this is kind of an innovative way to help your child in math. Help them, or to, it could be if they need help or if they want to move ahead, just want to reinforce skills. My husband is a math teacher, so we were interested in trying this out, and we were very receptive when I was contacted to take a 4-week trial with them and let them know my thoughts. So we've just finished the 4-week trial. My son Luke, who is 9, was the one who took the classes. They were able to be arranged online. There's a flexible schedule, and we chose Tuesdays at 8 o'clock, and the classes were an hour. Now, for the first 3 classes, he was alone in the class. In the last class, there were, I think, 4 other students there, and it was nice. It was interactive. They have a nice way of doing it. The first class, we noticed there were some sound issues and like some popping in and out of the rooms, so that did happen, but that happens. I mean, we use online rooms and stuff for some trainings that I do, and that kind of stuff happens. It was much better towards the end. A lot of the kinks were out, but it's very easy to set up. You just download this room, and then you can enter it, and you can see the instructor, you can see the other students, they can see you. You use your camera. Kids use, my son used a laptop, but kids there use tablets to connect, and regular computers, desktop. You'll get a kit based on your child's age, and when you go to sign up, it will ask you, I believe if it was before August something, that you put the grade that they just finished, and if it was after that, that you put the grade they were going into. So we had put the grade that he just finished, which was the 3rd grade, even though he's in the 4th grade now. He just started school this week. Then in there came some of these tiles, a variety of dice, and these masks, because there are stories with these characters, and kids take turns, when there's more than one in the class, to be these characters, and they do some reading of the story and adventure. And then they also earn points and gems, which they can redeem. So turn your gems into real prizes here. So if you log into their account, you can trade them for favorite prizes. And at the start of each class, you'll choose a hero to become. So the mask will get you into character as you play your part in the story. The tools will be used during class when you play math games to help your fellow heroes get out of sticky situations. So there's a story behind the word problems, and then there's also, this comes the poster here. So, and then you got a book to do your work. As you can see, my son was doing his, but okay, so that was that. Now my thoughts on it, like I said, I think it was very good. I like that we did it in the summer. Right now, there's just so much going on that, I mean, we have soccer. My kids don't see, the problem is with us, our kids don't get home from school until about 4:15. I know that's crazy, but that's what it is. When you're getting home that late, and then, I don't even want to say it, the days are getting shorter, but they are. And when we go to the silly daylight savings, it's ridiculous, but right now the kids are in soccer practice, and our school gives a lot of homework, and so I think for him to have an hour of a class during the week, so if we do continue the trial, it would have to be on a weekend day in order to do that. But I think it's great if your child needs extra help in math, or like I said, is trying to move ahead in math. This is a very great program. There were kids in the last class that said they had been with it, about a year. So they were enjoying it and continuing on. And, I mean, you can try it out. There's a free trial. I'll have information about that in the video as well as on our blog post. And I'll have a link to our blog post in the video description too, so you can see more. But yeah, I mean, I have very positive things to say. Like I said, a few glitches with the online classroom, but that's to be expected. And they were not, I mean, it was sometimes the teacher popped out, but she popped right back in. Sometimes in the beginning, the sound was a little staticky on her end, or it had a little bit of a delay. But again, those are issues that really didn't, ruin the experience. So you can find out more at revolutionmath.com. Here's the website, revolutionmath.com. There will also be a link in the video description. And if you've tried out revolutionmath.com with your child, please let me know your experience in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.